Um, did you have the Petaluma group? The
I have not heard back from anyone from the
Oh.
old group.
because they're hosting the meeting next time.
Oh, I'm gonna be away, so I'll join by Zoom.
Okay. All right, let's start. We can still have a discussion. One member is missing. Anyway, welcome everyone.
Thank you.
I'm happy to be back to resume work. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's the amount of money we have, a little over $3,000. $1,000 in our kitty. Hope we can make use of it for the remainder of the year. We'll talk about that some other time. Request behavior health board elect a vice chair. I didn't by any chance interested in being the vice chair.
I'm just hoping you say yes.
I could, so I have a second home in Mexico now, so I'm out of the country a lot, but yeah, it's pretty nice.
Where in Mexico? Sorry.
North of Puerto Vallarta,
Yeah, that's cool.
it's nice, yeah.
Yeah, my second home is all the way in the Caribbean.
But
I'm going there at the end of the month.
I'm usually around, I do it. Yeah,
Okay,
I could do it.
It's just
I'm doing it anyway, I mean, I'm coming to these meetings and.
yeah, coming to the meetings anyway, so yeah. Oh, the other thing that I would have loved Gary to be around to discuss is involvement of board members. I remember I have our meetings, and I don't know if you guys saw the letter I sent, to the letters to the back of this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I sent to them, and then that was the response that I got.
So they said no, basically, right?
Yeah, they said
yeah.
in a very nice way.
Yeah. So that's just for District 5 or for everybody?
So that's for everybody. She's
Because
she's in the chair,
yeah,
so
okay.
I had to write to the
Yeah.
chair of the board of supervisors, and yeah. So I went to think the same thing applies. So I would love to hear what I will have to put this on the agenda for the next meeting, and how we can help in terms of orienting people or see what we can do. There's not much there to negotiate,
No,
but I tried. I don't think my letter was so demanding.
no, it was,
I tried to, make it clear, so what.
Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. I should have said this before. Jan will not be attending today.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately, she has another.
we'll have a very short meeting.
They already have official meeting. Because I was looking for that reason. And the other thing is meeting the tenants. That has been something that has plagued this board since I started 7 years ago. Started coming to board meetings. I have to say, at the very beginning, attendance was better. I think when we met in person, just all in person, there was no Zoom, there was no COVID, none of this. We had like maybe 80 to 90% attendance.
Wow.
Yeah, people showed up.
Okay.
Yeah, I would come and everybody is
That was a
would be
full
there.
room. Wow.
Yeah,
And were there community members as well?
yeah, the room would be a good bit of committee members. Yeah, sometimes we didn't have enough chairs.
Wow.
And,
It's definitely not where we're at.
yeah, and community members came, especially if we had something, on the agenda that they were interested in.
What do you think was different?
I think COVID had some part to do with it. When COVID hit and people started, then we had the option of Zoom, do this on Zoom, and then when people realized they were asking us to go back to in person, that
Yeah,
a lot of people was like, I don't have the time to be there. If I'm at home, I can do this, or if I'm at my office, I can do this, but to drive to be in person, so some people like,
hmm,
I think that's what, one of the biggest, um, things that were left behind with COVID was people didn't want to. They wanted to do everything from their home. They wanted to work from home, they wanted everything.
it has been a problem
Yeah.
at the workplace. I have to admit,
Yeah.
even at my workplace, UCSF, where I work full-time, we have not been able to get people back
mhm,
in the office up to this point.
wow.
Yeah.
I was excited to be able to be out again.
Yeah, I
So,
go.
because the ultimatum now is, this is our last year, by June, July 1st next year. If you can't show up, then.
Uh-oh, and you have to follow through with that.
Yeah.
No,
Because they give us the option like 2 days, 3 days, and people are still not showing up. So it's like, okay. At our August meeting, we were told we are an in-person university.
Yeah.
And we are not an online university, so therefore people need to show up.
yeah, yeah,
So I'm saying that to say, I can see why it affected other areas other than work as well, so. The Zoom option is great, especially if you're out of the country or you can't meet. But some people wouldn't commit to coming in person at all, they wanted all Zoom, and based on the governor's recommendation, people should be in person. I have to say, I love in person. To me, in person gives me the connection that Zoom doesn't.
it's really
Yeah.
good, yeah.
But I'm old fashioned, so I can't look at that and expect younger people to go for that, so. Yes.
It does open up the possibility for someone who's disabled or ill. I mean, it gives us more diversity possibly, or family, like people with children, but that's not working out. And that's not working either.
That's not, no, so.
And I know that people are complaining that it's hard to know where the meeting is. We have all the website problems.
I have a question about that. I know that we, had discussed possibly picking just one place to have our behavioral health board meetings. Are we still thinking that that might be a good idea, or did we dismiss it?
I don't think with this because Jen was going to look into the possibility of
Using Neo Thomas?
yes, Neo Thomas, and the screen is best. She said it was much better
Yes,
facility out there.
yes,
I think we're still following through with that.
okay. good.
And
I think
having one place might be better.
where people always know that
Yeah.
the third Wednesday or Tuesday of the month, this is exactly where it's gonna be, always consistently. I think it would make things so much better.
And we're not getting higher attendance at the outlying areas.
No,
And that would cut down on like not having Wi-Fi in the whole building,
Mhm.
you know? I think it would be so much better.
we may have to look at when we go out to our district, so to speak. Is it any better or
I
is
don't
it
think so.
improved? And we have to revisit, why do we go? What do we achieve? How much engagement do we get? And is it worth going out there? Or is it we'll get the same result if we meet one place throughout the year? Even if our district people are the ones who conduct the meeting, say, okay, next month is Petaluma, whether we were going to be at New Thomas, they will be the one coming up with things that affect
Oh, that's.
areas and things that are pertinent to them and highlight it, bring in the speakers and all of that. But we have one
Mhm.
location. Should we?
I'm thinking about like for the public. At the outlying areas, we're not, maybe in Guerneville, we get a couple people who might not come into Santa Rosa, but. Even that, there weren't that many.
There were not that many, but what I got the impression that we did not advertise as much, but
They didn't know about
they
it.
didn't know about it. So, but that in itself, past years, that advertisement is usually left to the those in the district to
Yeah.
do that, not from the general board. They will be the ones. Hey, we having that meeting, they interact with the community, decide on the speaker, and invite people in the community to come. I mean, when I first went to a board meeting, I went to Petaluma. That was way back when I was at Sonoma State. I got Sonoma State, 16 years ago, with my master's, and I was there, so it's a while. And I noticed that because at the Veterans Building, and the attendance was great. I was surprised to see the number of people there.
Mm.
And that's where I got, more motivated to come, but I was okay with choosing.
But like for District 5, I don't live anywhere close to Guerneville, so it's not my neighborhood either, so. The districts are so big, it's kind of hard to expect somebody from that district to know everybody.
Yeah.
No, I don't think doing everybody because I have the same challenge. I'm in District 1.
Uh-huh.
I live in Santa Rosa.
Right,
And the bulk of District 1 is Sonoma Valley.
right, same thing, yeah.
Yeah, but I live 10 minutes from New Thomas.
Mhm.
When we have meeting there, I work from home.
Mhm.
I mean, I live in Bennett Valley, 15 minutes walk, not 10. I just walk, a cool walk to the place. And so for the life of me,
That's District 1, Bennett Valley?
yeah, part of Bennett Valley is District 1,
Wow. And all the way out? to
all the
east?
way to, yes.
Yeah, so it's the same as I live in Santa Rosa and I'm all the way out to Jenner, so it's
Mhm.
crazy.
That is
Yes.
massive.
Yeah. And it's such a different,
That is too, that's.
It's a different, not only a physical location, but even a cultural
it's
difference.
very different, yeah.
It's different. I don't think, what's her name, Kathleen lives in Sonoma Valley either.
No, oh no.
I think she lives, I want to think she lives, someone Highway 12 or Rincon Valley,
Yeah,
still in Santa Rosa.
yeah,
And
yeah,
that's two of
that's
us
not-
there right there.
that's not, yeah.
So that's why when we had this young lady who was living in Sonoma, we knew Sonoma, we
Right.
talk about Sonoma, I was
Yes.
excited.
Yeah,
I was drawing from her because she knew the community, she knew the people, she knew people from the school district.
yeah,
I don't know.
right.
District 5 is massive
It is huge.
and District 3 is tiny.
It's massive
It doesn't,
and it is
it's not balanced.
Yeah,
No, I think it's the
It's by
population.
yeah, the number, just the
number.
numbers.
Yes. That makes it even worse because it's sparsely populated
Mhm.
and it has this vast geographic location that getting people is more challenging.
Mhm.
I guess I'm District 1.
Can I see?
Yeah.
So that has been my challenge since the board. I just learned last month that I'm in the same district as Jan.
Dan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you realize I was in District 1 too?
Yeah, I'm in District 1 as well.
You too?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I live in, out by Calistoga Road.
Okay,
Yeah.
that area, there we go. That's all District 1.
Interesting.
But to be fair, the District 1, Bennett Valley side and the Rincon Valley side is very different from Sonoma Valley,
Mhm.
especially on, the Agua Caliente
Mhm.
area. And, I mean, I lived in Sonoma many years ago. I came to Santa Rosa 20 years ago, I think over 20 years ago. I lived in Sonoma before. So I physically know Sonoma Valley.
Yeah, and Sonoma Valley has so many different parts,
Yes.
different
Yeah.
populations.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Yeah, I lived in Sonoma Valley
Yeah,
and, more than one area to place in Sonoma Valley. So I know the area,
Yeah.
but having left so long ago and not interacting and I worked in.
It's changed a lot.
Yes, and I worked at Sonoma Valley Hospital for a long time too.
Mhm.
So that's what brought me back into the valley. So I would be there when they had stuff regarding the hospital. Sometimes I would be involved, but anyway,
Mhm.
that job 16 years ago.
Yeah,
So I'm not really connected to the valley as such. So it makes it a little hard. So attendance has been an issue. I think we should bring it up again at the next meeting. But more so, I was hoping to hear from District Two, what the plans were, what do they have? Do they have a speaker? Do they have it? So I don't know. They didn't respond to the email, nobody responded.
And that was Brad, Katuna, Don O'Brien, who is apparently having a lot of issues with correspondence from,
Hmm.
uh, yeah. And, Kathleen, no,
Kathleen,
no, she, District Two. Brad, Don, and Angelina Grab.
Mhm. So I don't know what the topic would be for them, if they have one. I don't know if they are aware that, they are responsible. I'm just,
Last time we had Petaluma People Services, and I had no idea how extensive they are.
Oh,
I learned
yeah.
a lot that time.
That was a lot of.
They do everything.
Everything.
Yeah,
That was
amazing.
really cool.
that's how you get to know. That's why that's why it is so important for the people in the district,
Mhm.
everything that are putting into them.
But I don't think everybody knows what's in their own district.
No, not everybody. If you were to ask me,
And I don't know what Don's connection is. Why he's interested. Yeah, that's where we do need our retreat.
yeah. It's important to see. Oh. I feel like we are just at a standstill, stalemate for next month. All I can say, can you reach out to them again, a follow-up email?
Yes. Cause I sent that last week,
Last week,
Thursday or Friday.
yeah, you sent it last week, because I remember you. I saw it.
Yeah,
It's a
I will
little-
follow up
It's a little difficult to prepare an agenda for
Yes.
next month.
this month.
I mean, for
This month.
Today the first.
That's already happening.
That's all, yeah,
Yeah.
first. So we'll have to follow up with some emails or some calls. Do you have the phone numbers?
I have. I do.
Would you mind? Just to follow up as well to find out. Maybe send them a text or give them a call.
Okay,
Go ahead.
I'll do that.
Mm.
You want them?
Yes, please.
Here with me.
If you don't mind.
I don't mind.
Who is Angelina?
Angelina Grab is one of our newest.
Was she the one who spoke up at the Grenville meeting? She was kind of outspoken.
She.
Yes,
That's her. That's her.
tall, blonde,
Yeah.
yeah.
Mhm. I can keep that copy?
Yeah.
Okay, just to follow up, I don't know. I mean, we reserved the place.
Rebecca Samet. is no longer,
Well,
I have to take a roll for this. Yeah, this list has a lot of holes in it.
There's a lot of changes.
Yeah. No, as a chair, I will try to reach out to them as well, just to find out if it, what's the plan, what's going on.
Okay,
Yeah,
Not to necessarily discuss the board stuff, around that, but just to find out what's going on.
so I know, Ngame had, some family, emergencies that came up this month, so, I don't know if she'll be attending.
for October.
Well, in September,
Oh.
you know, if it'll all be sorted out.
Yeah, no, I think that's the extent of our meeting today.
Okay.
We don't have Jen's report,
We don't have Jen's report.
and I
The
was
only
hoping
thing
we'll
I
have
have-
something to discuss regarding the agenda and stuff, but we didn't hear from District Two. And,
The only thing I have so far for the agenda is, the role in the orientation of new members for the executive committee.
For the response from Linda, you mean?
Yeah.
Yep.
That was written.
yeah,
And we're gonna talk about attendance,
we'll talk about attendance too.
Okay.
Mhm.
and then the whether to keep the one site.
Yeah, and discuss the one side and see how people feel about it. We did mention Maclean. And also selecting the vice chair.
Oh.
And vice chair. Yay.
And the retreat.
Yeah, we need to talk about our retreat because I think we really need to get together as a unit outside of just meeting. And we did, Greg, we did mention of someone who's well versed in Water and Commission.
Yeah.
I know of, like, and I have had two in the past where we had Susan, but it looked like the person he recommended is also a very experienced person, so I want to see a change, somebody different from what we have.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. All right,
Right, I think so.
Well, thank
It's short. It's 11.
short and sweet.